Wasabi root, antibacterial. Natural compounds fight microbes, digestive health, stimulates enzymes and bile. Anti-inflammatory, may reduce joint pain, sinus relief, clears nasal passages, low calorie, used in small amounts. Fiddlehead ferns, antioxidants, helps protect cells from damage, eye and skin, rich in vitamin A. Bone health, contains manganese and copper, low calorie, great for weight loss diets, anti-inflammatory, contains omega-3s. Horseradish, antibacterial, natural compound fights infections, detox aid, stimulates liver enzymes. Respiratory support, clears sinuses and congestion, low calorie, used in small, intense doses, digestive stimulant, increases appetite and bile flow. Sweet potato leaves, rich in antioxidants, protects cells from damage, blood pressure. Potassium helps regulate IT, supports digestion, contains fiber and water, boosts immunity. Vitamin C and polyphenols, heart health, reduces inflammation. Bottle gourd lauki, hydrating. High water content cools the body. Heart health, lowers blood pressure naturally. Digestive aid soothes acidity and constipation, weight control. Very low in calories, sleep support. May help reduce stress and insomnia. Korean radish moo, detoxifying, cleanses liver and kidneys. Digestive aid, contains enzymes that break down food. Cold relief, traditionally used for coughs, hydrating. High water content, rich in vitamin C, boosts immune system. Moringa leaves, nutrient-dense, loaded with vitamins A, C, E, anti-inflammatory, helps reduce chronic swelling. Iron source, supports red blood cells, blood sugar balance, may reduce glucose levels, immunity booster. High in antioxidants. Turnip greens, rich in calcium, supports bones and teeth, liver health, detoxification support via glucosinolates. Anti-inflammatory, loaded with vitamin K, heart benefits, lowers cholesterol levels, digestive support, high fiber content. Bamboo shoots, low in fat and calories, ideal for diets rich in fiber, aids digestion and satiety. Heart-friendly, contains phytosterols and potassium, antioxidants, fights inflammation, immune support, boosts resistance to infection. Sweet corn, energy boost, good source of complex carbs, eye protection, lutein and zeaxanthin support vision. Heart health, contains fiber and B vitamins, digestion. Insoluble fiber promotes regularity, immunity, antioxidants and vitamin C present.